Oh my God, these people are so desperate. As I getting my sister ready for shower, they have her folding the sweatshirt. This is how she folded. Yeah, right. Like if she can fold one sweatshirt, that will make
Cut that.
And you're wheezing again. Who's telling you to do it this time? Is it a guy or is it a woman? Hả? Tell me.
Hai.
Chú hả?
Hả?
Chú kêu Trang làm hả?
Ngọng.
Cái ai kêu? Ai kêu? You're wheezing, see? she only fold a sweatshirt and she's wheezing. Oh my God! See how stupid you people are. The more you people desperate.
Ôi ai cả
Wait, to build any kind of evidence, it proves.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! All right, hold on.
Okay.
See?
Bang.
Look.
Bang.
There you go. Thank you. And you have to fold this one sweatshirt. One sweatshirt, people. How is that going to make her any difference or doing any better while her lung is wheezing? Ay, ay, ay. Ouch and stuff.